You guys can probably hear the dryer in the background. I realized after watching, the playback, I'm like, I probably should have turned it off. However, I am multitasking, and so I need to be recording and drying clothes at the same time. So yeah, just just join the party. Just come on in. It's fine. It's going to be okay. Yeah, it's gonna be all right. I am packing for an event. Like, it's just like a mini event that I'm doing for my community. I would not say that I wouldn't say that I'm type A or type B. I feel like I'm a mixture of both. I can definitely go with the flow. I can definitely be very scatterbrained sometimes, and I can be very, very organized. I can be very, very particular about how I want things. I can be very, very orderly, and so because there is a mix of both, I like to do things a specific way because it alleviates stress, and it alleviates strain, concern, frustration, all of the things, okay? So what helps me when I am doing events is to pack backwards, okay? So I'm going to show you guys, I'm gonna take y'all with me and show you exactly what I mean when I say pack backwards. Everything that I will be putting in this bag, when I get ready to set it up, I'm going to take the things off of the top. The things that are on the top is what I need first. That's what I mean with pack backwards. So everything at the bottom, you're going to use last. Everything that you need to set up first is going to be on the top. So you're literally packing backwards, okay? So I'm going to use the food buffet station as an example. Okay, I've got all of my stuff here. This is decoration, this is decoration. This is a tablecloth, okay? I know I need to put the tablecloth down first before I put decoration on, and before I put the food warmers, and before I put any other decorative items down. So this needs to be on the top. This decoration, this tool runners, these need to be at the top as well, okay? So I'm just gonna show you what I mean. Oh goodness, it's stuck on my okay, we're doing a soup bar. We're doing a soup bar, oh Lord, by Panera. So I got some little cups here. Okay, so what is going to go in my bag first are these risers, okay? And I love these risers, you guys, because you can use them to set things on top and elevate, but you can also use them, which is what I'm going to use them for today, to like use them as containers, like a little, I love this. I love anything that can be used in multiple ways. Okay, so, and I love how they nestle. They nestle all together, so we're gonna put all of these here in our bag. I'll put these in first, okay? Because I don't need them first, I need them last. This I need last, the rest of these I need last. And then, I don't want these out like this, but just for video sake, those will be added in. I'm probably gonna put them in a bag. Yes, a good Ziploc situation. Look at that. I mean, okay, so those are going in, and then napkins. I'm gonna sit those, because those will be last. And now I am getting to decorative items, okay? These I'm gonna use, so those are going in. This I'm going to use, so we're getting closer to the top here. These will go in, but for the sake of space, those will go right there. And then these will go in, those will go in, and they will also go here to the side. Oh, help me, Father. And this goes on top, okay? Now, when I get over to the building, I will show you guys what I mean and how easy this is to like unpack. So I know everything is inside, and when I take this bag out and I sit it on the counter, I know that this will be the first thing that I use to set up. That's the first thing that's going down. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now we're over at the clubhouse, and remember the last thing that we packed, the tablecloth? That goes down first. And after that, we're just gonna unpack the bag and set everything up. Setting up decorative items. Then we will move on to the cutlery and the risers. The soup bowls, we'll get those down. We'll finish off with the napkins, clean up that little area a little bit, put the empty boxes back in the bag, and that's it.